what is it called? Gingerbread cookies? Is that what you say? Pepparkakor. Kakor is how you say it. Did you eat them as a kid?
Yeah.
For Christmas? Okay. I feel like I didn't in America, but I did in Sweden. This is my first time making the dough by myself, so let's get started. On the stove, we have 150 grams of butter melting, and once that's melted, we're gonna add a crap ton of honey, 125 milliliters, that's not healthy, and 125 grams of sugar. Sugar, and the crap ton. Ooh, that's healthy.
Which we're using honey instead of golden syrup, which is what the recipe called for.
We don't know what that is.
But yeah, we don't have that. So we looked it up and it sounded like we could use honey instead.
So we shall. Transferring the mixture that smells like honey and only honey.
We mixed that in as well.
And then I'm gonna wash my hands real quick because it's all eggy. Add in your flour as well. It's a lot of flour. We got the dough. It's fairly loose and sticky still, which is what the recipe calls. So it says then to cover it and put it in the fridge for the night. So we're gonna do it till tomorrow. And this is what we always did as a kid. We put it in plastic wrap. Ready? It's the little things that make you happy during a global pandemic. It's been over 24 hours and it's coming out for cookie time. But first, let's put on our oven. 3 down.
There we go. So how many did you say this would make when you do the full recipe?
200.
Yeah, so we're
Well,
just
it
doing...
depends on your cookie cutter. Like, if you use this, obviously, it's probably not going to be 200. But if you use, also not 200, but like these.
We're probably only going to do half. And then we can just put the other half in the freezer and make some more later.
Yeah. At least that's what my family did. It's pretty hard. Ready? This is what they do on the... And then they... Hold on.
Wow.
It's like a sandwich.
Okay.
You get some flour up in this bitch. I might need to thaw out. I might need to thaw out a little more. 10 hours later. Just kidding. 10 minutes. It was too hard to work with. But now, I think we have success. How thick should it be? My grandmother always told me I have to do it myself. Should we call that a day?
Let's see how it does. We'll do a test run here.
Should we do 3?
Sure.
I always used to do this when I was a kid. I would like put them all next to each other. And then I think I have...
Scoop it up.
Nice crisp edges. We're gonna test these in the oven and take them out. 1 at 5 minutes, 1 at 6 minutes, 1 at 7 to see the magic number is. See the difference in color? That was 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I have a feeling 7 minutes might be the winner, but let's try it. Delicious, but soft. Also delicious.
Is 7 minutes it?
I think so.
I think 7 minutes is it. Of course, probably do this test on your oven too, because all ovens are a little different, but
Delicious.
they're all delicious.
I've ate them all. They come off the pan though. It's gorgeous.
Back in a sec.
Now is the test for the ginger snap. Ready? Delicious. Happy holidays.